on, everybody? It's TitanicFeetJack, and I'm back at you again with another video. Before we get started today, I need a couple of things from you guys. I need you to hit that like button on today's video. Also, hit that boost button on this video. Let's give this video some boost. Get it out to more people on YouTube. Do drop those comments down below in that comment section. Let me know your thoughts on the video and what we're about to unbox today. Do hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I come back with another video. And if you haven't already and you like the content that you're watching, I ask that you sub up to the channel. Now today we're going to unbox a couple of boxes. One being sneakers. We're going to go ahead and get started. I got my box cutter, my Christmas present. Gonna cut open box number one. This is the first box. You can pretty much guess this is something small, like accessories or something. And I have to be very careful because this box cutter is very, very sharp. Okay. We have a packing slip. Da 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 da. All right. Everything is in here. Okay, let's start with the contents. Alright, this is the first one. We got some hats in here, and this came from newera. I love newera hats. Great quality, and they last the test of time. We have a Vancouver / Memphis Grizzlies. There you go, fitted. And of course your boy size 7.5 or 7.5. I caught a little sale, and y'all know what came out recently. Definitely gonna plug that together. Stay tuned after I make a reel because I received something for Christmas that'll go very well with this. Alright, we got hat number 2. Alright. Let's go ahead and get that out of the bag. Yep. I mean, is it just me, or how many of y'all out there match y'all hats with sneakers? Drop that down below in the comment section. Me, I love fitted hats. I don't do the one size fits all. I hate those. Gotta be fitted. And get that 7.5, 7.5. Here we go. We got that denim look. That San Francisco. There you go. You're definitely gonna be rocking that with something. And of course 7.5, and even under the bib is denim. These are on sale right now at the time you recording this video on newera. Did you guys know that newera has an app? Yep, I bought these on the app, and they do have a reward program, so that's right up my alley. If you have a reward program, I'm all in if you got the products I like, because I love shopping with people that have reward programs. And this is the third hat. Go ahead and get this out of the box. I definitely know what I'm rocking these with. A sneaker that recently came out as well. Go ahead and put them fits together. If y'all want to see outfit and hat and sneaker reels from your boy, drop that in the comment section. Let me know. If I get enough people saying they want it, I'm gonna go ahead and start making them for y'all. As I see this Chicago, the Cubs, the denim look as well, newera logo on the side, and of course that size 7.5, and it's stonewashed denim underneath as well. Out of the 3 hats that you guys saw, which one is your favorite? The Memphis / Vancouver Grizzlies, the San Francisco Giants, or the Chicago Cubs? Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Which hat is your favorite? I'm gonna box those back up. And this is the main reason we came here today, to unbox these. A recently released sneaker. Your boy took the L. It's a collab sneaker, and luckily for me, I was blessed to get them for a good price. When I say a good price, there was less than $100 over retail. So your boy got them. We're gonna go ahead and use the box cutter again. Go ahead and cut it open. Yep. And oh yeah, okay, yeah, this is gonna be different. Let me go ahead and close the box cutter because I'm done with it for this video purpose. And take it out of the box. Toss this box to the side. Here we go. We have a Nike SB, regular Nike SB box. Give you guys a 360 of the box. And this way it looks like underneath. And here we go. That's the box tag. Go ahead and read it to you guys. It says Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Quick Strike NW. And the color is University Red and Black. And this is a side fitting B-Nard. Here we go. Fold over box lid. Here you go. We have a blue lot stamp right along those lines. Oh, we got a couple accessories in here. Alright. Go ahead, get them all out the box. Oh, man. This is the paper. Got that tree bark print on the paper. And you do have the green and white YCM sticker in here. And what do we have here? Alright, let's show the accessories first. This is the accessories. This is the card that came with these. Do. Y'all know who that is. We have the Nike SB Dunk Low Nardwuars. How do y'all like these? This was a nice addition to my collection. They're not going for much on the secondary market, but I definitely wanted to get these because these were different. Of course, you know by now I like being different. I like different things. And look, all the additional laces we have with these. We have the hunter green, we have varsity red, we have navy, and we have yellow additional laces. And of course they come with the black over laces, fat tongue. You got the little pom-poms on each one. Let's show you guys what underneath looks like. That's what it looks like. And you have that checkered pattern. That's definitely a nardwuar classic. There you go. Let's see what the inserts look like on these. Comes with this tissue. Hopefully the inserts come out. Yep. We have a Nike SB Dunk Low insert. There you go. That's what it looks like. That's what the back looks like. Both inserts, yep, are the same. So comment down below. Let me know what you think of the Nike SB Dunk Low Nardwuars. Sizing on these, definitely size up. SBs definitely running a little snug with the fat tongue and everything. And we have a size 15, and the production date is May 21st of 2025 to July 23rd of 2025. So almost 2 months of production with these. So comment down below, let me know your thoughts on the Nike SB Dunk Low Nardwuars or any of the fitted hats that I showed you guys today. And don't forget to hit that boost button on that video. And I'm gonna go ahead and end this video off. Like I always tell you guys, if you can help somebody get a sneaker, help them get that sneaker, because you never know when it will be your turn to need help getting a sneaker. I'm TitanicFeetJack, signing out.